There is already an abundance of great Black Friday smartwatch deals available. As Black Friday's official date, November 27th, is now less than a month away, some early deals may start to show up on big retailers. If you're looking into buying yourself a smartwatch, or maybe even getting a friend or relative a nice Christmas present, we can help you with some of the best you can get. Take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and their prices. Now you can go further with the all-new Garmin Fenix 5 Premium Multi-Sport GPS watch. Its connected features include smart notifications, automatic uploads to Garmin Connect online fitness community, and personalization through free watch faces and apps from our Connect IQ store. This smartwatch provides outdoor sensors, including GPS and GLONASS satellite reception, and a 3-axis compass with gyroscope and a barometric altimeter. You can put key stats at your fingertips with a performance widget that shows your workout's effects and progress. On the other hand, it is fit for adventure with a rugged design that features stainless steel bezel, buttons, and rear case. Plus, you can save up to $50 on this smartwatch at this Black Friday deal. The Fossil Men's Gen 4 Explorers HR stainless steel touchscreen smartwatch is powered with Wear OS by Google Work with iPhone and Android phones. To avoid damage to your watch, only use it with the included charger. Do not use a USB hub, USB splitter, USB-Y cable, battery pack, or other peripheral devices to charge. You can track your running distance on your wrist with this smartwatch and play your stored songs without carrying your smartphone. Connect your smartphone to this smartwatch using Bluetooth technology and get app notification and alerts on your wrist with a gentle buzz. This watch's estimated battery life is 24 hours, depending upon usage, and 2 additional days in lower power mode. Plus, the smartwatch is compatible with 2mm straps, and its interchangeable design lets you change the belt as per your wish or mood. The Kate Spade New York Scout Smartwatch 2 is made especially for those who love to multitask and multi-slack. This watch is powered with Wear OS by Google. It lets you download apps, track activities, monitor your heart rate, access Google Assistant, make payments, and set personal goals. You can also get calls, message, and app alerts, toggle between function-centric screens, and control music. The device is voice-activated and pairs wirelessly with both iPhones and Android phones. Besides, it offers an estimated 24-hour battery life based on usage. However, the 41mm touchscreen keeps you wise to the time and comes equipped with stylish tools and wants to stay organized on the go or on the couch. Make every step you take towards fitness count with the all-new Fitbit Versa Lite smartwatch. Track your heart rate, activities, sleep pattern, and more with this smartband. Its all-day activity tracking helps you reach your fitness goals by tracking activities such as the number of steps taken, distance covered, and the calories burnt. This smartwatch is water-resistant up to 50 meters so that you can wear it in the pool, in the shower, and at the beach without any worry. You can view your resting heart rate and your cardio fitness level in the Fitbit app and optimize your workouts accordingly. Further, it uses a super light anodized aluminum case, and a high-resolution color touchscreen makes the Versa Lite sleek and comfortable. Plus, you can save up to $40 on this product. The Michael Kors Access Gen 5 smartwatch is powered by Wear OS by Google Work with iPhone and Android phones. You can go multiple days on a single charge in extended battery mode. It comes with heart rate and activity tracking with a built-in GPS for distance tracking and has a swim-proof design, so no worries about splashing water. Now with a speaker for audible alerts and taking phone calls, responses from the Google Assistant, and more. Receive smartphone notification and alerts, manage your calendar, control your music, customize your watch face, and download third-party apps with even more storage. Interestingly, you can save up to $97 on this watch in this Black Friday deal. Apple Watch Series 6 lets you measure your blood oxygen level with a revolutionary new sensor and app. The always-on Retina display is 2.5 times brighter outdoors when your wrist is down and has a 5 GHz Wi-Fi and UI ultra-wideband chip. Track your daily activity on Apple Watch and see your trends in the fitness app on iPhone. You can sync your favorite music, podcasts, and audiobooks. Plus, it can detect if you've taken a hard fall, then automatically call emergency services for you. The emergency SOS lets you get help from your wrist, and it requires an iPhone 6s or with iOS 14 or later. When paired with your iPhone, you can make calls and send texts directly from your wrist, navigate your surroundings with maps, buy items with Apple Pay, and use your voice to interact with Siri. Remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications for more exciting videos from our channel.